Hi guys! Have you ever wondered how you can install firmware updates on the Creality Ender 3 KE? In this video, we will show you how to install them and also how to enable root access on your printer. You want to know more? Then stay tuned! Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Rui and this is the Rui Raptor YouTube channel. If you want to help us out, you can by giving this video a like and subscribe to the channel. You can also help by joining our Patreon page or by clicking on any of the affiliate links posted below in the video description. So, 3D printers have evolved a lot since we started our YouTube channel. Improvements in hardware and firmware make 3D printers different, smarter, and much more user-friendly. On our early firmware update tutorials, we often used Arduinos and Flash bootloaders so we could then install updated firmware versions. Not too long ago, many 3D printer manufacturers started to look at this topic in a different way, and the firmware update is much easier nowadays. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to update the firmware on a Creality Ender 3 KE. For starters, this model is equipped with a Wi-Fi module, and when connected to our router, we can go to Settings and enter the firmware version detection menu. The printer connects to Creality's server and will let you know if there are new versions available. In our case, we have a stock printer that came with version 1.1.0.9, and here is telling us that there are more recent versions available, which in this case, it's the 1.1.0.14. We can even see the release notes of this new version here on the printer's display. If we want to update, we simply click on Download and it will start downloading the new firmware to the printer's internal memory and install the firmware automatically once the download is completed. After the installation of the new firmware, the printer will restart and you will now have the new firmware installed. Pretty easy, isn't it? But if you think that this is a way to manufacturers keep the system closed, think again. This new version has the option to enable root access if we want to. On the screen, you will see the SSH root login information, which normally is root for the user and Creality with capital C 2023 for the password. By enabling this, we can access the printer from any computer through SSH and install Moonraker, Fluid, Mainsail, etc. etc. But this is a topic for a different video. And that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. We will see you guys next time. Bye!